Welcome to our tutorial on how to restore your wallet on Atomic Wallet. First, open application. If you forget your password or you want to restore it, tap restore. Next, you will need to enter your recovery phrase or private key. This is a series of word or character that you receive when you first create your wallet or during the backup process. This is a series of words that I received when I first created my wallet. I screenshot this and back it up in my gallery. Carefully type in each word or character exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no types or errors. Once you have entered the complete recovery phrase or private key, tap restore or continue to process. Confirming your recovery phrase, you will be prompted to set a new password for your wallet. Enter your new password. Tap set to proceed. Next, rewrite your new password to confirm it and click confirm to finalize the process. The app will then verify the information you have entered and be in the process of restoring your wallet. You can enable fingerprint Face ID, or you can also skip it. There you have it. You have successfully restored your wallet on Atomic Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.